there's another product or piece of equipment that you would like to see an in-depth video on, please leave your request in the comments section. Okay, so from start to finish, I'm going to show you all the operation. Okay, so first thing, you're going to fill up your water. Okay, so this is your water fill. Okay, you can actually fill it like this if you're not, if you're close to a hose, or this actually comes right off as well. Okay. Okay, and this pulls actually right out, so you can just put your hose straight in there. All right. Okay, so you got full water. I'm going to show you how to put on the squeegee. Okay, these are really simple. I don't know if you guys all used auto scrubbers before, I'm sure, at some point. But again, it's just the two wing nuts. Okay, they're all the same pretty much. Okay, pulls right off. This is your vacuum hose. Okay, obviously you want to make sure this is attached, because if it's not, you're not sucking anything up. Okay, throw that back on. Okay, so that's all attached. Here's your water level. Okay, so this is your indicator. You see this red little mark here? So this floats up and down. Okay, so we got about half full. This is also, you can also drain your clean water from here too, which is nice. But that's one thing I do actually really like about this one, is it's just a hose, just like the dirty water. Okay, so this will be your dirty water. Okay, so we got those on. Really cool feature with this one, it actually has automatic pad pickup. So I'll show you how. So what you want to do is line these up. You can put them on by hand too, but this is a nice trick. So you can line it up, drop your head down, make sure it's lined up, and then push this little button here, and it grabs it. Okay? Yeah, so it's a nice feature. So that's just this button right here. Okay, it's a pad spinning. It's got a little pad and it's got a spin. Okay, and then to take it off, you just twist it, and they should pop right off. You can do operation now. So if you want to come take a look at the control panel here, okay, you got your forward, backward right here, emergency off button. This is your speed. Okay, it's actually quite fast when you're just driving it. I'll kind of show you. The one nice thing too is it's got a nice safety feature where if you're going really fast and you take a hard turn, if you're at full turn, it'll slow you down. Okay, because if you go too fast, you can feel like you're going to tip. It should slow you down. Okay, if you're at full turn. Okay, water level adjustment right here. Okay, and then you got your battery life and your battery hours here. Okay, horn. Very simple machine. Okay, now to start use, so we're going to drop the squeegee like this. Okay, so that should be on the ground now. Drop our pad, so it's right on the foot pedal here. I don't know if you can all see that. Okay, so this will drop the pad, and then we got a vacuum button right here, and then the pads in the water will start going on the foot pedal activation. Okay, so we'll turn our vacuum on. Very quiet too. It's only 65 decibels. Yeah. Just a quick feature here. It should stop me when I turn hard. So it slows it right down. Okay. So normally, it cuts it down to almost a half speed when you do that full turn. It doesn't let you turn sharp, because if you do, especially if I'm a bigger guy too, so I'm top heavy, so it would throw me off, right? So it slows you down. This is a really nice safety feature, so you don't have to worry about falling off. So when you're done, so you see how we stopped right here and there's a lot of water left? Okay, so what I would suggest, before you start, like once you're just about to be done, lift the pads up. Leave the squeegee down and just pick up that remaining, even if it's just like 6 feet, right? And then you're good. Okay. Big thing with the batteries like this, okay, you're gonna get a 3.5 hour runtime, so it's quite a long time. So what you wanna do is run this charger all the way down. You wanna try and get them as close to dead as you can, and then charge it fully overnight. Okay. Big thing, do not charge, don't plug this in for an hour and unplug it, or plug it in for half an hour and plug it. If it dies on you, it needs to fully charge. Okay. So watch your battery indicator. Try and get it.
Problem with overcharging as well?
No, so it'll cut it once you plug it in. So this is the charger right here. It's actually an onboard charger, so there's nothing extra. It's just going to be a cord that plugs into here. So this pops open, okay, and I'll show you the cord as well. But it just plugs in here, then straight into the wall. Okay, I would just just plug it in overnight, and it'll fully charge, and then run it all the way as much as you can get down, even if you can get to like the last bar. Okay, ideally. Okay, because again, what can happen if you start opportunity charging it all the time? You're going to lose runtime. Okay, because they run on a memory cycle, so they're gonna if you do it at like half, it's gonna start thinking, okay, this is a full charge, right? So then it won't charge fully anymore. So you get about half the runtime. So that's why it's really, really important, because batteries are not cheap. As soon as you take your foot off the pedal, it'll stop you. Okay, there's about like a half a second delay, you'll notice, but it's got the automatic brake. Okay, it's got the emergency stop. One thing I really want to show you too is if you're having any need for troubleshooting, I don't know if it's going to be in the middle of the night or something happens, right here there's a QR code. Yeah. So I'll bring it up on my phone so you can see it. So all you do, I don't know, do you guys all know how to use those? So you just open your camera and it should pick this up. You click that, and then it'll bring you right to, it's called New Assist. Okay, so it brings it right up. So everybody, you'll see that. So it brings it right to the machine, the exact one you're using. Operating machine, there's all the operating instructions. Okay, there's a whole video on that. There is troubleshooting. Okay, there's maintenance. Okay, so that's even here. It says little to no water flow, changing the floor blades, poor water pickup, doesn't start. It's going to give you a bunch of things to try. Okay, so in case, obviously you can call. You guys have my card. You can call me if I just might not answer at 3 in the morning. So, but I'll try. Okay, but if for some reason if that happens, this is a really helpful tool. Okay. Okay, so this is your dirty tank. I'll show you a couple things inside of it. So this is your filter. You're going to want to just spray that out. You might have, depending on what's on the floor. Okay, this is going to catch ideally all your hair or wood chips. Again, best practice is to do a quick dust mop wherever the area you're going to scrub if you can. Here's the float. Okay, I like this float one a lot because a lot of other machines, they just have just the ball filter and the foam can get around it, right? So depending on how foamy your E15 is getting in here, you can I would suggest using a defoamer if you can. If not, this actually helps. Instead of it having a chance to go around it, this gasket here, this first of all, if it's full, it's going to completely lock it. You won't be able to suck up anything else. Okay, and it kind of blocks the foam if it gets really foamy in the tank. So first couple times using it, especially with the E15, it can foam up a little bit. I would keep an eye on it. Just even after you're done like half a tank, just open it up, take a look. If it's getting really foamy, I would suggest using a defoamer. But if not, then you should be all right. But just again, keep an eye on it, because if foam gets in the vacuum motor, that is a warranty. It voids the warranty. So that's a big, really important thing. Okay. This is a little filter you can clean once in a while too. Okay. This is your vacuum filter. So you'll feel it when you turn the suction on. You'll feel this is actually where it sucks from too. Okay. So you can feel the vacuum, and that's pretty much it. So when you're putting it on, there's a little lip here. Okay, so this just tucks right into here, pops down. Okay, another reason if you're not getting suction, if that comes off for some reason, you're not going to have any suction. So that's always got to be in there. So that's your vacuum hose, so its water just goes in there, down to here, through that filter, and then into the tank. Okay. When you're emptying it, when it's really full, this is your drain hose. Okay, just like any auto scrubber, it's a gravity drain. Pinch it off before you open the lid. Okay. Did that happen to you already? Yeah. Okay, if you don't, if you just put this down open, it's going to spray all over your hands, all over your feet. Okay, so pinch it off. I usually go right like that. Another maintenance thing, wipe your squeegees once in a while. Okay, even if you do it after every use, just take a microfiber rag, wipe the squeegees. Sometimes you can get hair or stuff stuck on it, and then it affects the suction as well. I guess one other thing I didn't show you, when you're going backwards, it will beep too, which is nice. You get the light, a couple of extra safety features. That concludes the overview and demonstration of the NaceCare TGB2128 Ride-On-Scrubber. If If you'd like more information on this scrubber or the rest of our equipment lineup, please click the link in the description, which will take you to our online catalog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date on our newest content.